No.
No. No. Okay. All right. Are you sleep, Tenderloin?
He is sleep.
I bet if I put a piece of chicken in... Look, if I put some chicken in the camera, she gonna get up.
Do it.
Look. Chicken Tenderloin.
You fat ass American.
Works every time.
Now let's get to the lesson.
You guys need to stop. All right, so today we're going to be learning... No, I don't have any money. What's going on over there? I don't have any. What?
Oh, she getting her eyes beat over there. Let's look and see. Oh, fuck.
What's happening?
Oh, fuck, nigga. He is tearing her up.
What the heck?
Oh.
We need to call somebody.
Anyway. She getting dragged. Oh, God.
We need to call somebody.
In my class.
Could you guys turn to page 70? We're going to practice.
We need to call somebody.
No, we don't have to.
Help! Call 911. Call 911. He
dragging her.
her.
No, don't call 911.
We need to call
She
somebody.
give me hell every day. We're not calling 911. Come on, y'all. Skip to the page 67.
Damn, Miss Saggett Pussy.
Look at this nigga with this do-rag on.
Miss Saggett
Of this
Pussy.
lesson.
We need to call.
No, I'm not gonna call nobody. Shut up.
Ooh. She is
The hell
crunk.
is
You
worried
done
about
want
me
to call
for?
anybody?
What I'm about to do. Anyway,
Oh my
turn to
God.
page 67.
Why you
I gotta
gotta
go.
What page is 67 on?
You say something else crazy. Get over here. Log out.
No.
I done had it with y'all kids.
I'm tired of you
Something new.
breathing. Bitch.
Ooh,
It's
fuck
turn
nigga. You Americans. Who wanna read? This shit is like
Nobody.
TV.
Call somebody. That girl. Look.
Oh God! This nigga is chasing her. Do you niggas see this shit?